Today guys, I want to do a real quick video on how you can make $1,000 a week passive income just working from home on your computer. The reason I'm doing this video is last week I had one of my biggest weeks so far with affiliate income, and I made right around $1,000. I made $950 and some change. And so this is something that anybody can do, and it's not something that you can do overnight. Like, you're not going to implement it and tomorrow make $1,000, but if you start doing it the way I'm going to teach you, then you can start having that money come in. So I believe over the next year or so, I'm going to start having $1,000 weeks more and more often until I'm having $2,000 weeks, $3,000 weeks. The way you do this is with high ticket affiliate income products. So I make videos, I make content, I have stuff online on my website, and when people click to certain products and they purchase those products, I get a commission. I've done this with Amazon affiliate commissions, and I've done it with my network marketing commissions, but high ticket affiliate commissions is where the big money's at. If I sell a product in this particular circumstances, the product that I sold was $500 was my commission. It was a product that was more than $500, but my commission was right around $500. So 2 sales ended up putting $500 in my pocket twice this past week. And this is how I recommend you do that. Blogging is great. If you have a blog, that's fantastic, but it is very, very competitive. You've got to know how to rank your website. You got to know how many keywords to use and not to use. You got to have a good writing style. You've got to be able to generate clicks off of Google. And to be honest, those positions that you see in Google, I rank for some of the number 1 to number 10 positions. Most of those positions take 2 to 3 years to get to. And if you're just starting now, they might take you 3, 4, 5 years. The time for those blog posts to hit the number 1 to number 10 rankings in Google just keeps getting pushed further and further out. If you want to do it quickly, then what you need to do is create a YouTube channel. And I know maybe you're not, I wasn't comfortable at first, I'm still not comfortable in a lot of ways being on YouTube, but my YouTube growth is almost to the point. In the next few months, I think I'll be getting the same amount of views on YouTube as I get on my blog. And I've only been really putting out YouTube videos for about a year. What you want to do is start putting out YouTube videos. And the other thing about YouTube videos is people decide that they like you, they like what you have to say, they like, you know, the type of person you are, and you've got more opportunities for revenue through YouTube, because number one, people are going to be more inclined to trust you from a YouTube video than they are from a blog post, because blog posts are just text on a screen, whereas a YouTube video it's you talking, it's your personality, it's a little bit about you. The other thing is, as your YouTube channel grows, you can start getting ad revenue when you monetize your site. Now, this is what's interesting. Think about this. I generated $1,000 last week in affiliate income, and my YouTube channel is not even monetized yet, because I'm only a year or so in, so I don't have enough subscribers yet to monetize it, but I still made $1,000 last week. So you can start making money off of YouTube right from the beginning. If you want to learn more about how to do this, I learned from a guy named John, and I'll put a link in the description for his stuff to teach you how to do it. That's how you can make $1,000 a week just doing high ticket affiliate sales. Check out one of my next videos, and I'll see you later. God bless.